Okay, so good day everyone. So before we discuss about our lessons for today, here's the intended learning outcomes or the ILO. So at the end of the discussion, the students must be able to do the following. First is identify the unit angular measure. Second is convert radian measure to degree measure and vice versa. Third is enumerate the types of polygon. And fourth is solve the interior and exterior angle of polygon. Again, at the end of the discussion, the students must be able to do the following. First is identify the unit angular measure. Second is convert the radian measure to degree measure and vice versa. Third is enumerate the types of polygon. And fourth is solve the interior and exterior angle of polygon. So unit angular measure. So there are 4 unit angular measures. So these are degree, mils, grads, and radians. So again, there are 4 unit angular measures. So these are the degree, mils, grads, and radians. Okay, so 1,600 mils is equivalent to 90 degrees. 400 grads is equivalent to 360 degrees. Pi radians is equivalent to 180 degrees. 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. Again, 1,600 mils is equivalent to 90 degrees. 400 grads is equivalent to 360 degrees. Pi radians is equivalent to 180 degrees. 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So, in order to convert the degree measure to radian measure, we will multiply the number of degrees by pi over 180 degrees. Then simplify. So, if we want to convert degree to radian, so we just multiplied by pi over 180 degrees. And then if we want to convert radian measure to degree measure, so we want to multiply the number of radians by 180 degree over pi. And then simplify. So again, if we want to degree measure to radian, pi over 180 ang i-multiply. And if we want to convert radian to degree, we should multiply 180 degree, then over pi, then simplify. For example, convert each radian measure to degree measure. So 5 pi over 6 and B is 4 pi over 3. So first, we need to convert radian to degree. 5 pi over 6. So 5 pi over 6 times 180 degree over pi. So cancel the pi. So the result will become 5 times 180 degrees over 6. So 5 times 180 degrees over 6 is equivalent to 150 degrees. So therefore, 5 pi over 6 is equals to 150 degrees. Another is 4 pi over 3. So 4 pi over 3 times 180 degrees divided by pi. So cancel the pi. So the answer is 4 times 180 degrees over 3. So, 4 times 180 degrees over 3 is equals to 240 degrees. So, 4 pi over 3 is equals to 240 degrees. Again, if we want to convert radian to degree, we multiply 180 degrees over pi. So, another. So, if we want to convert each degree measure to radian, so for example, 150 degrees to, and then 240 degrees. So first, 150 degrees. So in converting degree to radian, we should multiply it by pi over 180 degrees. So 150 degrees times pi over 180 degrees is equals to 150 degrees pi over 180 degrees. And then the answer will be 5 pi over 6. Kaya gi-simplify ra siya. So therefore, 150 degrees is equals to 5 pi over 6. Next is 240 degrees. So 240 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. And then simply, then multiply that one. It will become 240 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. And then cancel the degree. and then simplify that one, it will become 4 pi over 3. So the answer is 4 pi over 3. So 240 degrees is equivalent to 4 pi over 3. So again, in converting degree to radian, we need to multiply it by pi over 180 degrees. Okay, so next is next lesson is polygons. When we say polygons, it is the union of the set of points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth, with the line segment 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 4, 4 is to 5, and so on, such that the intersection of any two of these line segments will be points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and no other points. That is polygon. That is the definition. So there are types of polygons. So I will just give 11 types of polygons. So name of polygons and number of sides. So if there are 3 sides, that is triangle. If there are 4 sides, that is quadrilateral. If there are 5 sides, that is pentagon. If there are 6 sides, that is hexagon. If there are 7 sides, that is heptagon. If there are 8 sides, that is octagon. If there are 9 sides, that is nonagon. If there are 10 sides, that is decagon. And then if there are 11 sides, that is undecagon. If there are 12 sides, that is dodecagon. And then if there are 15 sides, that is quindecagonal. So again, the name of polygons and number of sides. So triangle, 3 sides. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. Pentagon, 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. Heptagon, 7 sides. Octagon, 8 sides. Nonagon, 9 sides. Decagon, 10 sides. Ondecagon, 11 sides. Dodecagon, 12 sides. And quindecagonal is 15 sides. So first is triangle. So what is triangle? A triangle is a polygon that has 3 sides. So if tulo ra siya ka sides, that is triangle. So there are also types of triangles. So these are 4 types of triangles. So first is equilateral triangle, second is equilateral triangle. Okay, so the same ra siya. And then isosceles triangle, Scanline triangle, and right triangle. So first is equilateral triangle. If we can say equilateral triangle, it is a triangle having 3 sides equal. So therefore, the sides of all triangles are equal to each other. And also the angle equal to another. Next is equiangular triangle. Equiangular triangle means a triangle having 3 angles equal. So if the angles are equal to each other, that is equiangular triangle. Next is isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, a triangle having 2 sides equal. So there, if the sides of a triangle is equal, so therefore it is isosceles triangle. We should always remember that isosceles triangle if the triangle having 2 sides are equal. And when we say Scanline triangle, the triangle whose sides are not equal. So walay equal tanan. So laylay og sides ang kada usa sa triangle. So that is Scanline triangle. And then last is right triangle. When we say right triangle, having a right angle or 90 degrees ang iyahang right angle. So that is right triangle. So again, there are 5 types of triangles. So first is equilateral triangle. The sides of these triangles are equal to each other. And then equiangular triangle, that's triangle having 3 angles equal. So equals ang iyang angle. Isosceles triangle, a triangle having 2 sides equal. So 2 sides equal na siya. So that is isosceles triangle. And then Scanline triangle is a triangle whose sides are not equal. So walay equal bisag usa ka side. So laylay kada side. So that is Scanline triangle. And when we say right triangle, a triangle having right angle. So kung may right angle, that is right triangle. And then finding the interior angle of the polygon. So how to find interior angle of the polygon? So nasa formula. So the formula is interior angle is equals to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Interior means nasa sud. Kung nasa sud na angle, so we use this formula, which is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. So for example, find the interior angle of the polygon where the number of sides is 3. So kung 3 ang number of sides, so n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 3 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 times 180 degrees is 180 degrees. So therefore, the interior angle of three sides, or the triangle has the interior angle of 180 degrees. That is the interior angle. Next is interior angle of four sides. So use the formula of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So n is the side. So 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 4 minus 2 is 2 times 180 degrees is 360 degrees. So therefore, quadrilateral has interior angle of 360 degrees. And the next is finding the exterior angle of polygon. So when we say exterior, nasa gawas. So to find the exterior angle of the polygon, we will just use the formula, which is 360 over n, where n is the number of sides. So again, 360 over n, where n is the number of sides. So for example, so find the exterior angle of a triangle. So 360 over n, so 360 divided by 3, so the answer is 120 degrees. So the answer of exterior angle of the triangle is 120 degrees. Next is find the exterior angle of quadrilateral. So the sides of quadrilateral is 4, so 360 divided by 4. So the answer is 90 degrees. So thus the quadrilateral has the interior angle of 90 degrees. So again, when we get exterior angle, we use this formula, which is 360 over n. And if we want to get the interior angle, we use this formula, n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. And then there are 5 types of triangle. So these are equilateral triangle. It means that the sides of all triangles are all equals. And then equiangular triangle, the triangle have 3 angles equal. And then isosceles triangle, it means that 2 sides are equal. And then Scanline triangle, it means that the sides are not equal of the triangle. And then when we say right triangle, a triangle having the right angle. Okay, so there are types of polygons. So these are triangle, which is 3 sides. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. Pentagon, 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. Heptagon, 7 sides. Octagon, 8 sides. Nonagon, 9 sides. Decagon, 10 sides. Ondecagon, 11 sides. Dodecagon, 12 sides. Quindecagonal, 15 sides. Okay, so polygons, and then how to convert each degree measure to radian. So we will just multiply pi over 180 degrees, and then convert from radian to degree. So we will multiply 180 degrees over pi. Okay, so there are unit angular measures. So there are 4. So degree, mils, grads, and radians.